Namaskara. Welcome to Shri Krishna Vrindavana's global Navaratri celebrations and Puttige Shri's Shashti Sambhrama. By the grace of Shri Harivayu Gurugalu and with the blessings of His Holiness Shri Sugunendra Tirtha Swamiji, starting today and the following 8 days from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we have curated the program featuring professional and budding artists from all around the world presenting their Sangeeta, Nritya and Vadya Seva. On all the 9 days, our priests are performing Shri Yantra Sthapana Purvaka Bhagavati Durga Namaskara Puja. More details about the program can be found on the website and Facebook page. Kindly subscribe to the mailing list and get updates about all the activities. We request the devotees to donate generously and continue to sponsor or book Seva online. As the program title says, this Navaratri cultural celebrations is very special as it is also part of His Holiness Puttige Shri's Shashti Sambhrama. Let's watch a small clipping about Shri Puttige Shri and be part of this global celebrations.
ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದರ ಮೇರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ತೊದಲು ನುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ ಅನೇಕ ಜನ ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿ ಸಮಾಜದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಕೀರ್ತಿವಂತರಾಗಿ ಮೆರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಧ್ವ ಸಮಾಜ, ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಸಮಾಜ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜದ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಸಂಚಾರವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯತಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಗದ ಭಕ್ತರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರೆತು ವಿಶ್ವದ ಕ್ಷೇಮವನ್ನ, ವಿಶ್ವದ ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದರು 59 ಸಂವತ್ಸರಗಳನ್ನ ಪೂರೈಸಿ ಇದೀಗ 60ನೆಯ ಸಂವತ್ಸರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 48ನೆಯ ಚಾತುರ್ಮಾಸ್ಯದ ಪರ್ವಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒದಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು 60ನೆಯ ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತರು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದರು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ 4ನೆಯ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ತಮ್ಮ ಶಿಷ್ಯರಾದ ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಶ್ರೀಂದ್ರ ತೀರ್ಥ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದಂಗಳವರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವೈಭವದಿಂದ 4ನೇ ಪರ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಜಾಗೃತಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಈ ಪರ್ವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನುಡಿ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋಣ. ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯ ಹೊರತು ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ದೇವರೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಸ್ತು. ಅಂತಹ ಭಗವಂತನ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಅನುಗ್ರಹವನ್ನ ಪಡೆದಂತಹ ಗುರುಗಳ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಇಡೀ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸದಾ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸೋಣ. ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ.
Thanks for watching. Now we start our program with our special guest artist of Navaratri, Shri T.N. Arunagiri, founder director of Swarada Music Academy, who happily agreed for our invite to present a thematic presentation for 9 days. As an art musician, technologist and vocal educator, Arunagiri T.N. believes that creating art and artists is a socio-psychological responsibility of every world citizen. He loves Indian art music and all Indian genres in general. His unique methods of voice fitness can be found on the Voice Fitness page on Facebook. He will be presenting a thematic presentation on compositions of Goddess Saraswati. Today, he will start his presentation with the Geetam in Raga Begade, composed by Sangeeta Pitamaha Shri Purandaradasa.
सदा बालरूपापि विघ्नाद्रिहन्त्री महादन्तिवक्त्रापि पञ्चास्यमान्या विधीन्द्रादिमृग्या विधीन्द्रादिमृग्या गणेशाभिधामे विधीन्द्रादिमृग्या गणेशाभिधामे विधीन्द्रादिमृग्या गणेशाभिधामे विधत्तां श्रियं कापि कल्याणमूर्तिः कल्याणमूर्तिः मूर्तिः मूर्तिः मा ग मा पद पद नि द प मा पद पद प सा नि रि स मा ग रि स रि नि स पद पद नि द प मा पद मा ग रि ग ग मा मा ग रि स ग रि ग मा पद प सा नि रि स मा ग रि स रि नि स पद पद नि द प मा पद मा ग रि ग ग मा मा ग रि स सा स सरस्वती नंदनालिगे ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಣಿಯಲಿ ಅವಳ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತವಚನಗಳು ಜನಿಸಲಿ ಅವಳ ಶುಭವರದಿಂದ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮುನಿ ಪೇಳ್ದನು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನ ಶುಭ ಚರಿತ್ರಂ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಪದ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪದ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪದ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನನ್ನ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಣಿಯಲಿ ಅವಳ ಅನುಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತ ವಚನಗಳು ಜನಿಸಲಿ ಅವಳ ಶುಭ ವರದಿಂದ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮುನಿ ಪೇಳ್ದನು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನ ಶುಭ ಚರಿತ್ರಂ
Thanks for watching. Our next performer is Yashoda Patankar. Yashoda's training in Bharatanatyam started at the age of 7 under the tutelage of Guru Dr. Sucheta Chapekar and Srimati Arundhati Patwardhan. She is the recipient of CCRT Scholarship given by the Cultural Ministry of India, New Delhi. She was awarded a gold medal on completion of her Masters in Bharatanatyam from University of Pune. Yashoda has been part of the production called The Earth Speaks from the past 1.5 years and has performed at various dance festivals in the US and Canada. She is currently residing in Phoenix, Arizona. Thanks for watching. Our next performer is Annada Ashok Holla. Annada Ashok Holla is trained Carnatic vocalist. She started her musical journey under the tutelage of her mother and guru Vidushi Nalina Rao. Later, she learnt music under Karnataka Kalashri Vidwan late Shri Gudibande Kumaraswamy and Dr. Vidushi Shubhamangala Raghunandan, daughter and disciple of Gudibande Kumaraswamy. Srimati Annada has performed at various platforms such as Raghavendra Gana Sabha, Sringeri Sharadamba Temple, Hornadu Temple, SKV Mat and various KKNC events to name a few. She will be presenting Sadashraye Abhayambike, a composition part of Abhayamba Vibhakti Kritis composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar.
चिदंबर चंद्रिके चिदाश्रये चिदाश्रये चिदंबर चंद्रिके चिदाश्रये चिदाश्रये चिदंबर चंद्रिके चिदाश्रये शिवमजगे नादवराहि मुदाश्रये भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदमार्गम् ब्रूहि मुदाश्रये मायादीनं दीनं मा पाहि सदाश्रये मुदाश्रये मायादीनं दीनं मा पाहि सदाश्रये अभयाम्बिके सन्निधि सदाश्रये त्वमम्बिके भद्रं देहि सदाश्रये गौरी मयूरनाथ मोहनकर शक्ते शौरी वीरेन्द्रादि सन्नुत पराशक्ते नारीमण्या चेतनादबिन्दु युक्ते शारीरकादि विद्या सिद्धान्तयुक्ते गौरी मयूरनाथ मोहनकर शक्ते शौरी वीरेन्द्रादि सन्नुत पराशक्ते नारी मण्याद्य चेतनादबिन्दु युक्ते शारीरकादि विद्या सिद्धान्तयुक्ते बेरी मदಳ वीणावदनानुरते शूरी जनोपसित चरणनलिनयुक्ते वाणी मगरधृत चामर सेवा सक्ते दूरीकृत दुरित वेद शास्त्रादि प्रसक्ते वारीशादि लोकपालनुत गुरुगुव भक्ते दारिद्र्य दुःख भञ्जन कर शङ्करा विभक्ते शुकसनकादि देवता सेविते परदेवते वारिजमुखि वरदा वयहस्ते नमो नमस्ते सदाश्रये वारीशादि लोकपालनुत गुरुगुव भक्ते दारिद्र्य दुःख भञ्जन कर शङ्करा विभक्ते शुकसनकादि देवता देविते वरदेवते वारिजमुखि वरदा वयहस्ते नमो नमस्ते ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thanks for watching. Our next performer is Suraj Chetput. Suraj Chetput is a senior at Monta Vista High School, Cupertino, California. He has been learning Carnatic music for 12 years. He started learning Carnatic music under the age of 5 under Srimati Bhavani Krishnamurti in India. He is currently under the guidance of Guru Shri Ashok Subramaniam. Suraj has won Indian Raga competitions in Advanced Carnatic category. In addition to music, Suraj has passion for computer science, engineering and robotics. He is also the founder of Codec Notes, a free portal for middle schoolers and above to learn software programming online using Java. Today he will be accompanied by Akshay Bharadwaj, who is the disciple of Sri Ravindra Bharati Sridharan. Thanks for watching. Our next performer is Srimati Janani Prakash. Mrs. Janani Prakash is a trained Carnatic vocalist and veena player. She has had the privilege to learn veena from several gurus like late Veena Kannan, late Tanjavur Veena Lakshmanan, and Sri Shankaran, to name a few. She is currently pursuing to learn vocal from Dr. Meenakshi Ravi and veena from her aunt Kalaimamani A.N. Bhagyalakshmi. Thanks for watching. Our next performer is Geeta Shankar. Geeta Shankar is studying data science and biology at UC Berkeley. She has been learning Carnatic music since the age of 4 and is currently a disciple of Sri Naidali R. Santanagopalan. She also plays the veena and is part of UC Berkeley's South Asian Fusion a cappella team, Dilse. Today, she will present a Dhyana Kriti, Kamalambike in Raga Todi, a composition part of Kamalamba Navavarna composed by Muthuswami Dikshita.
Kamala Ambike Yamba Kamala Ambike Yamba Kamala
Baramu
ಶರಣಿ ಅರುಣಿ ವಿಯದಾದಿ ಭೂತ ಕಿರಣಿ ವಿನೋದ ಶರಣಿ ಅರುಣಿ ಸಕಲೆ ಗುರು ಗುಹ ಕರಣಿ ಸದಾ ಶಿವಾದ ಕರಣಿ ಅಗಚಟ ತಪಾದಿವನೆ ಅಖಂಡೈಕ ರಸಪೂರ್ಣೆ ಕಮಲ ಅಂಬಿಕೆ ಆಶ್ರಿತ ಕಲ್ಪಲತಿಕೆ ಚಂಡಿಕೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಋಣ ಶುಕೆ ಕರವಿದೃತ ಶುಕೆ ಮಾಮವ ಕಮಲ ಅಂಬಿಕೆ.
Thanks for watching. Our next performer is Anagha M. Kalale and Ananya V. Krishnan. Anagha and Ananya have been learning Carnatic music together for the past 13 years under their guru Karnataka Kalashri Vidwan Tirumale Srinivas. They have completed the state-conducted senior exam in Carnatic classical music and have also given many concerts. They hope to continue their music journey together for many more years ahead. They will be singing the first Avaranam Kamalamba Samrakshatu in the raga Ananda Bhairavi, a composition part of Kamalamba Navavarna composed by Muthuswami Dikshita.
कमलावासं रक्षतु मां श्री कमलावासं रक्षतु मां श्री कमलावासं रक्षतु मां श्री कमलावासं रक्षतु मां श्री कमलावासं रक्षतु मां हृत्कमला नगर निवासिनी हृत्कमला नगर निवासिनी सुमनसारगीतमुखी सुमनसारगीतमुखी सुंदर मन प्रियकर सखी सुमनसारगीतमुखी सुंदर मन प्रियकर सखी सुमनसारगीतमुखी सुंदर मन प्रियकर सखी कमल जालद बोध सुखी कांतर त्रिपुरेशि गुरुव जननी त्रिपुरवल्लभरञ्जनि मधुरिपु सहोदरी तलोदरी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी महेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशि गुरुव जननी त्रिपुरवल्लभरञ्जनि मधुरिपु सहोदरी तलोदरी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी महेश्वरी रक्षतु मां रत्नमाला नगरनिवासिनी रत्नमाला
Thanks for watching. Our next performer is Santosh Ravindra Bharati and Sri Ravindra Bharati Sridharan. Sri Ravindra Bharati Sridharan is one of the most sought after gurus and mridangam artists in the Bay Area. He has been a performer for close to 37 years and has been teaching for the past 27 years. Ravi is a prime disciple of Vidwan Sri Naivalli Narayanan. He has been training and nurturing many young talented mridangists through his mridangam school, Nadopasana Academy of Fine Arts, for the past 20 years. Santosh Ravindra Bharati hails from the well-known Embar family, known for its involvement in music and spirituality. He is very passionate about playing the mridangam and is a disciple of Vidwan Sri Naivalli Narayanan and his father Sri Ravindra Bharati Sridharan. Santosh has had the opportunity at the prestigious New Zealand Tyagaraja Aradhana, iCarnatic Summer Music Festival Chicago, Hamsadhwani Los Angeles, Sarvashri Foundation Iowa, and various events around the Bay Area, to name a few. In June 2015, he was awarded the Indian Raga Fellowship by MIT-based Indian Musical Venture. Santosh is currently a senior at Cupertino High School.
Namaskaram. My name is Ravindra Bharati Sridharan. This is Santosh Ravindra Bharati. We are disciples of Vidwan Guru Sri Naivalya Narayanan sir. We are very, very happy and honored to be invited to do Laya Seva organized by Shri Krishna Vrindavan Temple, and we would like to thank the committee and specifically Srimati Divya Ramesh for inviting us for this global Navaratri series, Laya Seva. We are going to be rendering a short live vinyasam in Talam Mishra. thank you so much for the opportunity for Nadapasana to do this humble Laya Seva. Namaskar.
Thanks for watching. We will be concluding today's program with Navyashri K. Nagendra. Kala Shri Navyashri K. Nagendra began her journey in the field of Bharatanatyam at the tender age of 5 under Guru Vidushi Srimati Sita Guruprasad of Bharatanjali Natyashale and continues to learn dance from Guru Shri P. Praveen Kumar of Chitkala School of Dance. She also learns Carnatic music from Karnataka Kala Shri Guru Shri Tirumale Srinivas. She is the recipient of CC Artist Scholarship of Bharatanatyam. She is the founder and artistic director of Bharata Duty Arts Center, Bangalore, where she trains the young talents in Bharatanatyam. She has performed at various prestigious events: Serendipity Arts Festival Goa, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Doordarshan's Chandana's Nupura Nanada, Brihan Natyanjali at Brihadishwara Temple, representing South Zone Cultural Center, are to name a few. Today, she will be presenting Kanjadala Ayatakshi in the raga Kamala Manohari.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. I am Navyashri K, a Bharatanatyam dancer, disciple of Guru Shri P. Praveen Kumar from Bangalore, India. I am extremely delighted to be part of Global Navaratri celebrations at Sri Krishna Vrindavana Temple, San Jose. I wholeheartedly thank my vocals guru, Karnataka Kalashri Shri Tirumale Srinivas sir and Divya Ramesh ma'am for having given me this wonderful opportunity. I thank you all for joining me for the celebrations. Namaskar.
Devi Kamakshi Kanjadalayataakshi 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 Kamakshi Kanjadalayataakshi Kamakshi Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari Kanjadalayataakshi Kamakshi Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari Kanjadalayataakshi Kamakshi Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari Kanjadalayataakshi Kamakshi Devi Kunjaragamane 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 Manimandita Manjula Jarane Mama Shiva Panjara Shuki Pankajamugi Guru Guharanjani Durita Banjani Niranjani Kunjaragamane Manimandita Manjula Jarane Mama Shiva Panjara Shuki Pankajamugi Guru Guharanjani Durita Banjani Niranjani Kanjadalayataakshi Kunjaragamane Manimandita Manjula Jarane Mama Shiva Panjara Shuki Pankajamugi Guru Guharanjani Durita Banjani Niranjani Kanjadalayataakshi Kamakshi Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari Kanjadalayataakshi Kamakshi
बदनी सुरदने रक्षित मदने प्रतदने राकाश बदने सुरदने रक्षित मदने प्रतदने श्रीकांचन वदने सुरदने शृंगाराश्रय मोदगदने श्रीकांचन वसने सुरदने शृंगाराश्रय मोदगदने एकानि सप्तरि भुवनेश्वरि एकानन्दामृतकरि भास्वरि एकाक्रमनो लयकरि श्रीकरि एकाम्रे जगृहेश्वरि शङ्कर एकाक्रमनो लयकरि श्रीकरि एकाम्रे जगृहेश्वरि शङ्करि हे कञ्जदलायताकी कामाक्षि कमला मनोहरि त्रिपुर सुन्दरि हे कञ्जदलायताकी गा गा मग ग म पनि पनि द ग द सनि द प म ग म प म ग म पनि ताम दीम तोम तकिट ताम दीम तोम तकिट ताम दीम तोम तकिट सगतिगु सरिकिट तोम पानि द ग द नि द प म ग म पनि ताम दीम तकिट ताम दीम तकिट सगतिगु नि द ग द नि द प म ग प म नि प द नि ताम तकिट सरिकिट सगदीम तकिट सरिकिट सगदनि पनि द ताम दीम दीम निधनि धम मग मग प मग सग गम प म पनि द सगम पनि द निध प मग द सगम प गम प निध म पनि द निध ग निध म सगम प मग द निध म मग सगम गम प म पनि मग द निध ग निध म दलायताकी कामाक्षि कमला मनोहरि त्रिपुर सुन्दरि गे कञ्जदलायताकी कामाक्षि कमला मनोहरि सुन्दरि सुंदरी राजराजेश्वरी
Thanks for watching. We thank all the performers, gurus, and you, our audience, for all your support in making this a grand celebration. Tomorrow, same time at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we will come up with the next set of talented artists. Please watch and encourage all the artists. Namaskara.